Hey, how's it going, guys? Josh and Norelli here with MarineMax in St. Pete, standing on a brand new piece of inventory, the 2026 42 GLS by Cruisers Yachts. This boat's powered by twin V12 600 horsepower Mercury outboards, pushing this boat well over 50 miles an hour, giving you a comfortable cruise in the mid-30s. You're gonna see me standing on this oversized platform here, and with your balconies folded out, it widens your beam tremendously. We have this aft-facing seating, which gives you a great vantage point while sitting at the sandbar or watching the sunset, with dedicated storage for your wet items down below. As you move up here, we're gonna have this beautiful summer kitchen where you have your sink, dual fridges, and the Kenyan grill top covered underneath here. To the side, you're gonna notice this mount, which incorporates a TV that's stored down below. So while you're sitting at this U-shaped lounger with this beautiful table, you can enjoy watching your favorite shows. And as you move up to the helm, you're gonna see two 12-inch Simrad multifunction displays. This will have all your charting, Mercury data, as well as your Seakeeper controls. Just adjacent to the steering wheel here, you're gonna have your joystick. That'll incorporate Skyhook, autopilot, as well as your joystick piloting. Before we step down below, I wanna show you this forward seating area. This has plenty of room for all your guests with a table that has dedicated storage underneath the starboard seat there. And then forward, you're gonna have your windlass anchor with your hands-free controls just adjacent. Down below the 42 GLS, we have this beautiful U-shaped seating with this teak table, which drops down to have a full forward berth. You also have a secondary aft berth, both with TVs. You're gonna have a microwave as well as a third fridge on board. I appreciate you coming along for this walkthrough. If you want any more information or schedule a showing on the 42 GLS by Cruisers Yachts, reach out to me, Josh and Norelli, at 727-366-5980. We look forward to helping you get on the water soon.